Hey everybody, today we are making an Indonesian fried rice dish. It's called Nasi Goreng and it's super delicious. It's got huge flavor. If you're a fried rice lover, this is definitely a dish you want to have in your recipe box. I like to make mine a little bit spicy, so let me show you how to make it. Fried rice is actually a perfect dish for spicy food lovers because it's super comforting and it's always delicious. It's also very easy to make and very easy to customize to the heat level that you love. So as a spicy food lover, you can go crazy with spices and heat. Nasi Goreng is actually a signature dish of Indonesia, and again, it's one of those easy recipes that you can change up to your preference. So this is a recipe that I settled on after making it a few different ways. Of course, focusing on the spicy, so I think you're gonna love this one. So, all right, first thing you wanna do is get your cooking station all set up, and you're gonna heat a wok or a large pan up to a good high heat, and then we're gonna add some oil. Gonna add 2 tablespoons or so of cooking oil, bit of oil. And here I have a large shallot. I'm gonna pop this in. And I also have chilies here. You can use milder chilies if you want to use them, but I'm using a couple of bird's eye chilies. And I'm also gonna spice this up a lot. I'm gonna add a habanero. But again, you can use milder chilies for this if you wanna use bell pepper for a no heat version, or you can use like a jalapeno for a nice everyday kind of a heat. Serrano pepper is always very nice, or cayenne. So we're really just gonna cook this down for just a couple minutes until everything starts to brown. But make sure you keep stirring so it doesn't stick to the pan. All right, this is looking good, smelling good. Next we're gonna add, here I have about 5 or 6 large, good-sized cloves of garlic, minced. Gonna get that in there. And really just stir fry this for about 30 seconds or so until you can smell the gorgeous garlic blooming. Oh, I can smell it already. Yum. All right, and here I have some eggs. My recipe calls for 2 beaten eggs, but you can use 3 if you want to. I like a lot of egg in my fried rice. Just gonna add that in there, and go ahead and stir fry until it starts to cook through. All right, these eggs are cooking through nicely. Next, I have my rice, and this is 3 cups of cooked rice. It's really day-old rice. Day-old rice is the best to use for fried rice, because it has less of a moisture content. And if you have too much moisture in your rice, it really winds up kind of steaming in the pan, and you really want to avoid that. It'll still be good if that happens, but you'll get more crispy caramelization from drier rice. Next, I have a couple tablespoons of soy sauce. And I also have 2 tablespoons here of a sweet soy sauce. It's kecap manis, and it's really a kind of a signature ingredient for this particular dish. It adds a nice level of sweetness, but if you're unable to find a kecap manis or a sweet soy sauce, do not fret, because really you can use extra soy sauce with a little brown sugar, and that works out nicely. Get this stirred in, and here I have a good tablespoon of shrimp paste. Not all recipes for Nasi Goreng include shrimp paste, but I love to include it for an extra boost of umami. And I have a couple of green onions, just kind of toss them in there. So we're really just gonna go ahead and stir fry your fried rice for 2 to 3 minutes until you get some good crispy bits on the bottom. It starts to caramelize a little bit, and we're gonna harmonize all of those flavors. And oh, look at that, fried rice. Isn't this easy to make? I mean, it cooks up so fast. And at this point, if you need a little bit of salt, go ahead, a little salt, a little pepper if you want to. Soy sauce is actually pretty salty usually, so I don't always add salt. But all right, take a look, my friends. What do you think? You guys ready to dig in for a bowl? So this dish is served more as a street food in Indonesia, but you can really turn this into a full meal by adding protein to it. I love it with seafood. It's great with shrimp. Tofu is great, but I also love it with chicken or pork. But really a popular way to serve it is with a fried egg. So let's check that out. Let's fry up an egg and see how it looks. All right, I got myself a bowl set up here with my Indonesian fried rice. Got a little garnish on there of a cucumber and some fresh tomato, and a fried egg here. Just kind of pop it right on. Boom, look at that. Doesn't it look good? I mean, fried rice. Who doesn't love a delicious fried rice recipe? So I think it's time to give it a taste. Fried rice, habanero. There it is. You're gonna love it. Boom, there it is, my friends, Indonesian fried rice. I hope you love it as much as I do. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below, and also I'd love to hear what kind of protein you like to serve with yours. So, hey, if you're looking for another fried rice recipe, you gotta try my chicken fried rice. It's very delicious, lots of flavor, but also if you're looking for a different kind of a comfort food dish, you gotta try my spicy ramen recipe. I just did that recently, and you will love that one. So, all right, I hope to see you in the kitchen next time. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Bye.